Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you all are fine and will be safe at your homes. Students, today we will do exercise 3A, question number 1, page number 115. Students, as I explained during my previous lecture about like and unlike fraction and proper and improper fractions. So now with the help of these fractions, let's start to fill in the blanks. A part. The fraction of the shaded part is dash. Students, you can see the fraction of this shaded part. How many shaded? You can see the shaded fraction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So as you know that the shaded part is written above the line. So we will write 7 as the numerator, and below the line the number, there we write the total number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So a total number of equal parts is written below the line. That is denominator. Above number numerator and below number is called denominator. So 7 is numerator here and 20 is denominator. Part B, write the missing numerator in 1 by 9 is equals dash. So students, just read the table of 9. Okay students, this is the equivalent fraction, and in equivalent fractions, what happens when the numerator and the denominator of a fractions are multiplied by the same number, not 0. So read the table of 9 and find its multiple. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. So it means 9 3s are 27. So we will multiply 1 by 3 as we multiply, because we have to multiply both of these fractions with the same numbers. Okay students, here you can see that they give us one answer, one denominator. They give us the answer. So when we multiply 9 3s are 27. So with the same multiple with the same number we will multiply the numerator. So if 9 3s are 27, then 1 3s are 3. So our answer is 3 by 27. Okay students, let's see what is the equivalent fraction. What happens when the numerator and the denominator of a fraction are multiplied by the same number, not 0, except 0, any other number with the same number. For example students, you can see in both of these fractions, this is 2 by 3, 2 by 1 2 3, and students, then we multiply it with the same number. 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6 with the same number 2. We multiply 2 with 2 and 3 with 2. So now this is the same fraction. The shaded part remains the same. As you can see, the shaded part remains the same. So 2 by 3 is equal 4 by 6. 2 by 3 is equals 4 by 6. Therefore, they are equivalent fractions. And what happens if the numerator and the denominators are multiplied by the same number again? As this is a fraction of 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 1 2 3 4. So again this is the fraction 2 by 4. So again we multiply it. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. 4 and 4 8. So we get these equivalent fractions 1 by 2. In this way 2 by 4, 4 by 8 and 8 by 16. Again 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Okay, so this is the equivalent fraction. Okay, now C part. 17 by 5 is n dash fraction. Why this is an improper fraction, students? As I explained to you, proper and improper fraction. Students, as I explained you that in proper fraction, numerator is less than denominator, and in improper fraction, numerator is more than denominator. As you can see, numerator is bigger than denominator, so that is improper fraction. 3 by 5 is dash then 9 by 5. So compare both of these fractions. 3 by 5 is dash then 9 by 5. Okay students, first of all you will see 5 and 5. Both of these, in these fractions, first of all see the denominators. As I explained you that when the denominators are same, this is the like fraction. Okay, and in like fraction, as you know that the greater the numerator, the greater its value. So here 9 is the greater than 3. So 9 is the greater. 4 by 13 is dash then 3 by 13. Again students, this is the like fraction because 13 and 13, both of these are the denominators and both of these are same. So if the denominators are same, it is the like fraction. And in like fraction, the greater the numerator, the greater its value. So 4 is greater numerator than 3. So 4 is the greater. Okay, question number 2. State whether the following are true or false. Part A. The shaded part in the figure. In this figure, you can see the shaded part represented as a fraction is 3 by 8. So let's see, is this fraction is 3 by 8? 1, 2, 3. As you know that the shaded part is written above the line. 1, 2, 3. So this is true. And total parts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 by 8. It means this is true. 5 by 15 and 1 by 3 are equivalent fractions. Yes, this is also true. How? Because if we multiply 3 by 5 with the same number, denominator and numerator with the same number, if we will multiply it with the same number, 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So these are the equivalent fraction. True. 7 by 9 is an improper fraction. This is true or false? Students, as I explained to you. So students, this is not an improper fraction. This is a proper fraction because when numerator is less than denominator, this is proper fraction, and when numerator is greater than denominator, then this is improper fraction. So now numerator is less than denominator, so this is proper fraction, not improper. So this is false. 9 by 10 is less than 4 by 10. Student, as you know that 10, the denominator of both these fractions are 10. So if the denominator, as I explained you, if the denominators are same, this is the like fraction. And in like fraction, if the numerator is greater, its value is greater. But here they put the value 9 is less than 4. This is false, because this is in unlike fraction when numerator are same and denominators are different. In the fraction 2 by 5, 5 is the numerator. In this fraction, as I explained you, this is called numerator, and the lower number is called denominator. But in this statement they write, in the fraction 2 by 5, 5 number is the numerator. This is the numerator? No. Above number is called numerator and below the line is called denominator. So this is also false, because 5 is the denominator, not numerator. Students, I hope you understand question number 1 and 2 of exercise 3A. So do its practice and write this book, page number 115. Complete it on your book, and also learn this fill in the blanks and true false. Take care. Allah Hafiz.